Exam Rabbit Score Gallery. The Exam Rabbit Score Gallery serves as proof and testimony of the team's expertise, showcasing their success in solving over 7,000 exams in the past 5 years. This gallery highlights the skills and legitimacy of Exam Rabbit, demonstrating their proven ability to bypass all proctored software securely and consistently deliver A-grade results for your exams. Payment. Team Exam Rabbit never asks for upfront payment from students, as they are 200% confident in their expertise. Unlike scammers, they solve your exam first. Once the exam is completed to your satisfaction, you can make payment through secure methods such as credit cards, debit cards, or other multiple payment options. Bypass method. Team Exam Rabbit takes full responsibility for ensuring the security and privacy of students. They employ 200% safe and secure methods to bypass proctored software, using techniques that are completely undetectable. Unlike inexperienced individuals who rely on risky remote applications and risk detection, Exam Rabbit provides superior expertise in assisting students with their proctored exams using 100% undetectable methods. This is the supremacy of Exam Rabbit's commitment to excellence in bypassing all proctored softwares. Pricing. Exam Rabbit offers the most competitive and affordable pricing tailored for students. With a no upfront payment policy, budget-friendly rates, excellent results, and secure bypass methods, Exam Rabbit has proven itself as the #1 choice for students seeking assistance with their online exams. To get help from exam takers and bypass technicians of Team Exam Rabbit Help, simply contact them at examrabbithelp@gmail.com or check the description of this video to fill out their exam help request form. You will get assistance within 30 minutes of your contact. Can you use a virtual machine to bypass Lockdown Browser? Here's what you need to know. Lockdown Browser has become a widely used tool in online exams, designed to prevent cheating by restricting access to other applications and websites. However, the question many students ask is, can a virtual machine VM be used to bypass Lockdown Browser? Let's explore this in detail. What is a virtual machine? A virtual machine is a software-based environment that mimics the functionality of a separate computer. It allows you to run multiple operating systems on one physical device, providing an isolated space for various tasks. But does this make it a viable option to bypass Lockdown Browser? How Lockdown Browser works. Lockdown Browser locks your screen, disables keyboard shortcuts, and prevents you from switching between applications. It monitors your activity to ensure exam integrity. The software is designed to detect and prevent the use of unauthorized tools, including virtual machines. Can you use a virtual machine? Technically, a virtual machine could create a separate operating system where you can run Lockdown Browser while using your main system for other tasks. However, this approach comes with significant challenges. 1. Detection risk. Advanced versions of Lockdown Browser are designed to detect virtual machine environments. If detected, it could immediately flag your activity to the exam proctor or institution. 2. Technical expertise required, setting up a virtual machine and configuring it to bypass lockdown. Browser demands a high level of technical knowledge. Without proper expertise, you risk exposing your attempt. 3. Severe consequences. Just as you can't build a house or fly an airplane on your own, you can't successfully cheat on an exam alone either. An inexperienced individual attempting it solo is likely to encounter technical challenges and get caught. To avoid this, you need to hire a team of skilled exam experts and bypass technicians from Exam Rabbit Help. They specialize in this field and are available 24/7 to assist students with their exams. The verdict. While it might seem tempting to use a virtual machine to bypass Lockdown Browser, the risks far outweigh the benefits. With advanced monitoring systems in place, the chances of getting caught are high. Instead, hire a team of Exam Rabbit Help to take this exam for you, as they have a professional team of experienced exam bypass technicians and genius exam takers. Simply contact them at examrabbithelp@gmail.com and pass your exam with an excellent score. There is a zero risk of being caught while using assistance of Exam Rabbit Help, as they are solving multiple exams on daily basis for last 7 years. Looking for legitimate help? If you're struggling with exams and need support, consider reaching out to professional academic assistance services provided by Exam Rabbit Help, as they are committed to help you succeed.